Welcome back to another vlog. We are doing something very productive right now. So if you guys have seen our previous vlog, you know that we changed our office space, the look. So we had a TV there before. Now we took the TV out from there and we are putting it in our bedroom over there, so in the wall. So that's what he is fixing right now, and I'm gonna help him. And today again we have a food truck in our community, but this time we're not gonna go and eat it because it's the same restaurant. And also Mayang already worked out today, and I'm gonna work out after we're done fixing this. And I'm just trying to see how to tighten this. Anyways, let's get started.
Alright people, mission accomplished. TV in the bedroom. So, I don't know if Tanya already told you that if you've seen yesterday's vlog, Tanya actually made me redo the office. So we ended up, one second, this is shaky. Yeah, so we ended up like doing the office and taking TV completely out of it. To be honest, we were not watching it anyways in the office. At least now it's in the bedroom. We didn't want to put it in the guest bedroom because again then it was wastage. Now that it's in the bedroom, we can actually watch whatever we want. So let's see. Now I have to figure out, do I use my PS4 for this TV, or do we want to go and buy Chrome to put it behind it? Let's see. I was actually planning to get rid of my PS4, so I don't think that. Alright guys, I'm back. I finally found Google Chromecast. It's 30 bucks. It's the cheapest and the best solution to actually have all the applications in your TV without spending a lot of money. So I'm gonna go configure this and then I'll show you guys. And there it is. It's super sleek in design. And then it comes with your adapter thing. So there is the adapter, and that's it. Adapter, put this guy in here. Small baby up. There we go. I actually set up a little wiring over here to get the extra socket point, so that now I can hook these things much easily. And it has an HDMI port, so if your TV has an HDMI port, this will be really quick to set up. So let's do it. All right. Alright, if you guys are wondering, it's pretty simple. You just download the app. It shows you a code on your phone and it should match that code. You say yes, you say I agree, say yes, I am in. Where is this device? In the bedroom. Next. Custom room name, master bedroom. And then you say next. Oh, Marvel, what you doing, baby? A lot has happened since I see you last time trying to configure this TV behind me. Everything has changed. So basically Google Chromecast, I didn't realize that it does not have apps in itself, like Apple TV or something else, and this TV doesn't have one particular app in itself, which was HBO Max. So we were like, okay, what are we gonna do about it? Luckily, this TV is very old. It's like 5.5 years old or something like that. Yeah, at least I got this TV in November 2014 to be exact. So it's almost 6 years old. The TV we have in our living room is the TV that is new, because we got this TV here when we moved to this house. So that's why this TV has all the apps in itself. So we decided to take the Apple TV out of it, just use the apps in the TV, and we hooked Apple TV to this TV here.
And I'm eating dinner only because I have to finish the avocados. That's it. That's the only reason why I'm eating dinner.
She is hungry.
No, I'm not. I am a little bit, but I could fill up myself with shake, but I need to finish this.
And I don't feel like eating anything right now. I ate some rice pretty late. What time did I eat? After my 3 o'clock meeting, so yeah. Probably 3:30. Somewhere around 3:15, 3:30, I ate some rice, tahari, and that's why I don't feel like eating right now. Maybe I'll have a chamomile tea. जब भी अपना बनाती हो ना तब इतना टेस्टी बनाती हो तुम.
Please.
ला मैं काट दूं, ऐसा मैं काट दूं. अरे हाथ कट जाएगा. ये देखो, इधर दो.
हो गया उसमें तो.
अरे नहीं, उसमें प्याज भी है. छोड़ो.
है ना, हो गया बेबी.
और क्या? देखो लोगों को दिखाओ तुम चांद जैसे अंडे.
और इसमें एक ग्रिल चीज बना दो, मस्त वाला चीज वाला. एक
बना लो.
है?
बना लो. ये देखो चांद जैसे अंडे बने ये. ओ ये वो बन गया. वो ऐसे करके एक सिंबल होता है ना, नारुतो में था. ऐसे करके.
हेलो.
घुसो दी कैसे तुम इसमें?
पैर इसके नीचे कर दो.
जूस लेके आ रहा हूँ मैं शायद.
चलो, मैं नहीं. Alright guys, I got my coffee. I made a normal medium roast and I added a little bit of whipped cream and some chocolate syrup.
I cannot believe this. Look, we're not just messing around.
Good morning guys. So today something interesting happening this morning. Tanya soke uthi and I think Alexa, we have Alexa set to sing a song, country music, and well, so the alarm goes off, she sang the song and Tanya just shut it off, and then she slept, and then she woke up at 6:20 and she was like 6:20 ho raha hai, 6:20 ho raha hai. How did the alarm didn't go off? And I was like, alarm did go off, but you just snoozed it. You snooze it, you lose it, you know. So it was kind of a rush morning, and I haven't taken shower. I'm freshen up. Now I'm gonna go give walk to Marvel because I have some early meetings today, so I'll give him a walk, feed him, walk him, and then go start working. My day is very packed with the meetings and trainings, so what I'm gonna do, I literally have 45 minutes on hands right now, so I am gonna get my 30-minute quick routine in and then go take shower, so that in 45 minutes I'm back to work. I mean, I have an hour, but I time it to 45 minutes just in case 5 minutes here and there, you know, you lose those. So taking my lunch a little bit early because I have a training during lunch. So that's why I'm gonna just get my workout in. I won't be able to record my workout today, as you can understand, because this workout, it doesn't have a lot of interval in between. Today though, it's day 13, and tomorrow I finally complete halfway through my summer shed program, and I'll do a video for a halfway journey update for you guys. And I'm done with my workout. I'm totally sweating here and the mat is filthy. So what I'm gonna do next is quickly go take shower, jump back to work. Tanya will come around 3ish today, so there's still some time before she comes back. And I don't know what am I eating, but I'll figure something out. Maybe a granola bar or something. Once again, I am practicing intermittent fasting, so I don't eat until noon, because that's my fasting window and it gets over at noon. So that's when I normally eat. And so I'm gonna go take a shower, figure something out to eat, jump on my meetings, and see you guys in our next vlog. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe,